You know, jerk chicken them up. Go on in themselves, you know. You see what I say? Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
I cook up some jerk chicken on the grill. Utilize the grill and thing, but first I go cut up some seasoning. You know, make it fresh seasoning. I get on the road a while ago. Scallion, thyme, or else we have right. So some scotch bonnet pepper. We have the onion. We have the lime. So I have to use that for the thing. And then we have some pimento and some fresh garlic, right? I go season it up with some salt, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and some brown sugar, and then season up chicken like with all-purpose. You know the vibe already. And of course some browning to color up the thing. I'm not gonna really go in details how to deal with these things. I have a bowl with some water right so. So I just go and prep up them things. I have to blend them out. You see this? Red dirt. You know where this come from? Right down at St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man. St. Elizabeth no miss when they come on for them produce. Just go up on the road a while ago and grab these things. You see it? You know, we have to give them a proper wash. Huh? If you give it a proper wash in a day, yeah? Have some oil in this, you know what I say? Go add some pimento berries. Good little handful of fresh pimento berries. The allspice berry. Bring out some nice flavor in the thing. Jerk where I deal with it. Go into the juice of a lime. Yeah, should I do 2 lime because this not have as much juice. This is gonna be good. Authentic jerk. If you look in the background, you can see me have a rim. This is what I used the last time, a car rim. So kinda get across my jerking, but it wasn't the best because it was too low and it catch fire and then make a thing. You know what I say? So this time now, one thing about them big old lime, I'm not like the fox of them lime and on a seed. I'm not like that. Alright, little acidity balance out the thing. No seed none of them lime, I'm not like that. Little bit of vinegar, my vinegar done. Yeah. Vinegar oil that helps to preserve your jerk sauce. Some browning sauce in there. Get it nice and dark. As I said before, I have video out on these things, you know, so check it out on the channel. So we have salt, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg. You know what I say? We're gonna go in with the scotch bonnet peppers. See them nice. Blend out the pepper them. The onion. Making a big batch to last me for about a week. Not a week. This can last me for a good little while, man. You can put it on everything, not just the jerk. Alright, we're not going to overdo it. So now, we're going to blend this out. Alright. This looks good. Alright, because I don't have a big enough thing, I'm going to throw some out in this container. With some fresh thyme in the thing. Scallion, this is scallion. You see the purple root? that's what we're working with. Yeah, man. But we're gonna blend this in batches because I don't have a big blender. It's just one of these mini bullets, so I have to blend it in batches. See it there, my friend. Nice. Add that to that. Get a spoon and oh god, don't look there, man. Mixing everything now. Ready for the jerking. See chicken there. Season it up with some all-purpose seasoning. Yeah. Beautiful. Nothing too crazy. Fill up my jar with some of the jerk seasoning first. Jerk marinade. So this have to over the coming weeks. Got that. Alright. Season up the thing and now. Ease out. Whew. Should have a gloves to season up this, you know. This is my meal prep. You ready now? Massage that. You see that? You have to take back this, pull back the skin. Season it up nice. Get some flavor. Check it out, my friend. See it there, you know? That is it. Well seasoned. You see what I say? Just I have some pimento tree here. That's some regular maca stick to help with the fire. I have some pimento. Just chop them this morning. Them not dry up fully. I have some gas, not gas. You call that something there? Kerosene oil. And I already washed my grill. I wash it a little bit rusty, but I wash it and clean it the other day. Yeah, all of them something I wash. You see me? So what I'm gonna do now? I go tell us everything removable. Add some in it, you see me? This is nice and dry. So them are the perfect thing for it. I get one piece of zinc in the future to line with the bottom of the pan. First time I go use it ever. Yeah, man. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Nice dry thick. I get some of the pimento now, right? See, tell us them want dry, but I use it up same way. And what's the way I do? Authentic jerk. You heard? Remember I said I had some cold from the last time? I threw that in there. I have some cold, that's all. Add a little to it. Light it up first. So, get some kerosene oil. Domestic kerosene. Wet up that. Oh, ironic, you make fire in a gas pan. From Canada, I carry them things and I have a little grill brush. And you don't know, you know, first lighter. Excited to light up the grill, you know. Ready? Some more kerosene. And this big fire is good for this. Why? because I don't use the grill yet, I want to burn it off. So I know for the next time, less coal and wood. Because I can't have that direct fire upon the chicken. You get me? Lock this down, make it go and do its thing, you know? Burn off the kerosene as scent and all of that. Jaja youth. Well seasoned, but for now, I put it on the top part of the grill. Hear that sizzle. Brush them up a little bit. A little bit of the marinade that was left in the container. Yeah. Carefully, daddy laptop. Get some hole in the top of the beer. Yeah. You don't know me, I always had it over the years, you know. So I'm red stripe on the thing. You see me? Yeah. That is it, my friend. That is it.
That is it.
They hear about that, is it? Flip them over, you know. Woo! Color pretty. It's a light and come on it. Good day, man. Good day, people.
Oh,
Proper, you know. Chicken them pretty, you know. Only a pity second. And I bun this bun up in a 3 place dark there. Proper, man. Can't wait for the outside light come on. A 3 place not fully dark up yet, people. You see me I say? Once the place dark up, you will see the beauty of our going. The outside light come on, watch out now. See me I turn on there. See me I turn on there. See me I say? I'm going to throw them up at top. Coal still around. Slow cook. The grill get coated, you see that? So you know rust again. You get the black look like that. Hmm? You know any? Oh, stones. Stones. That smoke up nicely. Add some pimento leaves. And I put some up at top because it's kind of cook already. Just have it soak. I lock that down because I want the pimento leaf to give it a nice little flavor. You know what I say? Alright, my friend. I'm showing you how I go on now. See it there, you know. Jerk chicken, them are go on it themselves, you know. You see what I say? Chicken them look good, people, man. Tell you, look at that. Beautiful. Oh my days. Get a glisten. Yeah, man, I eat my jerk chicken, you know. And then for the breast one, you know. Oh my days. See that? Nice and easy. On the grill. First grill session down. And everything is well seasoned. Not greasy or anything like that. You see that? Not rust. Nice. I paint it up tomorrow. Now we should be good to go. Pretty like money. And that height enough for the jerk on the grill, you know. Yeah, man, I'm going to eat up piece of it and do the right thing. You see me? Yeah, man. This is some pepper sauce. Yeah, man. So the pineapple scotch bonnet sauce, ketchup, we have a bread, we have a jerk chicken. You don't know on the grill. Still I go and knock away more chicken on the grill. I want to taste it without all of them things there. Touch up mouth and run water. All that smoke. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Want to soak a little bit more. Mm-hmm. Catch the color, but you're not soak fully. I put them back, yes. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Red pepper sauce, ketchup. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. That is it, man. Imagine if me did make this marinade. If me did make this a chicken and marinade for y'all one day. I'm just season it up and shape now. Mm-hmm. Or you want soap more, a little bit more. So I mostly think that smoke a cookie. So I want to make sure it's set up. Soap. Mm-hmm. That one good time, you know, that empty down already. The breast part then need not soaking. The breast well. Showing the breast part. Good. Juicy, good. Good. No dry jerk, good. Good. Be juice. The pineapple sauce, eh? Mm-hmm. And you just spice on your chicken, young. Mm-hmm. Breast, juicy. Mm-hmm. Jerk for no charge. Street jerk in my backyard, eh? Hmm? Yeah, one. Pineapple scotch bonnet. She kind of sitting there too. She kind of frogger. I like a frog. Mm-hmm. Huh? So you're close to gully. Hmm? Pepper sauce? Mm-hmm. Kind of marry down. I mango and you want taste. I mango and you want taste. Mm-hmm. Taste them could get the mango and buy pineapple. Mm-hmm. Let's bonus. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.